Hi students, this is Sahib sir, your chemistry mentor. Today we are going to learn about atomic number, mass number, isotopes, isobars, isotones and orbital and nodal space. Okay, these topics are today we are going to learn. First of all, we start with what is atomic number. First one, atomic number. In early first class, we already learned about atomic number. What is atomic number? The total protons present in nucleus. The total protons, the number of protons is nothing but atomic number. Number of protons is nothing but atomic number. Is denotes as Z. Atomic number denotes as Z. The number of protons, the number of protons are present in nucleus. We know well that the number of protons are the number of electrons present in neutral atom is known as atomic number, denotes as Z. The number of protons or the number of electrons present in neutral atom. Neutral atom means the charge is zero. If charge is positive, that is cation. If charge is negative, that is anion. In cation or anion, there is less number of electrons than or more number of electrons than neutral atom. That's why in neutral atom, the number of electrons are equal to atomic number, or the number of protons present in the nucleus is equal to atomic number. Okay students, next one, mass number. Second definition, mass number. It denotes as capital A. Mass number. What is mass number? The mass number is the total number of protons as well as neutrons present in nucleus only, not number of electrons. Electrons has zero mass. We already learned in first class. Okay students, we already learned the protons plus neutrons also called nucleons. So the mass number also called as nucleon number. Okay students, the mass number is the total number of protons and neutrons present in nucleus known as nucleus of an atom, called mass number, called as mass number, denotes as A. Also called nucleons number. Nucleons means protons plus neutrons combinedly known as nucleons. That's why also called nucleon number. Okay students, this is mass number, also called as nuclear number. That is the total number of total mass of protons plus neutrons. Okay, next, number of neutrons. What is number of neutrons? Third one, number of neutrons. How do we identify the number of neutrons in an atom? How do we identify number of neutrons? Number of neutrons is nothing but it is the equal to the difference between mass number and atomic number. The difference between mass number and atomic number is the neutrons number. The number of neutrons are equal to the difference between the mass number that is A and atomic number that is Z, called as neutrons number, that we show as equation. Number of neutrons n is equal to A minus Z. Number of neutrons is equal to A minus Z, mass number minus Z. Okay, how to show mass number, atomic number in an element? How to show mass number and atomic number in an element? How to show A and Z in an element? Example, X is the element. Then we can show bottom side Z is the atomic number. Atomic number we show bottom side, and upper side we can show mass number. Or other way, it is the element, we can show atomic number in bottom, and top right side is mass number. This is mass number, this is atomic number. The difference between these two are neutron number of neutrons. Okay students, next we are going to learn about isotopes, isobars and isotones. Okay students, this is the fundamentals of atomic models or atomic structure lesson. Okay, next we are going to learn about isotopes. What is isotopes? Okay students, the atom on an element, the atom of the same element which have same atomic number but have different mass numbers. The atoms of same element, they have same atomic number but have different mass numbers. Okay students, as we write as definition, the atom of the same element, which have same atomic number, that is Z, atomic number Z, but different mass numbers, that is A, called isotopes. In isotopes, what is same students? Atomic number is same, different mass numbers. As we write an example, you can understand easily. Example of isotopes is hydrogen 1 atomic number, 1 mass number. Another hydrogen 1 atomic number, mass number is another hydrogen 1 atomic number, and it one is the 3 is the mass number. This is called protium. This is called protium, general hydrogen. Protium is the general hydrogen. This one is called deuterium. Deuterium. It is causes D2O. D2O. Okay. D2O. Next one is tritium. Third one is tritium. This is radioactive element. Here atomic numbers, that is we show under the element Z. Here atomic number is 111, same, but atomic weights or mass numbers is different. 1 here is 2, then it is here 1h1, 1h2, 1h3. Same element, same atomic number, same element which have same atomic number but different mass numbers, that is isotopes. Best example is protium, deuterium, tritium. Okay students, 1h1 we are called protium, 1h2 called deuterium, and 1h3 called tritium. Okay students, next one is isotopes. Some important features of isotopes. Isotopes have different neutron numbers. Why? Because what is the neutron numbers? The difference between mass number and atomic number. Here is the difference between these two, A minus Z. That's why in isotopes neutrons number are different. Isotopes have different neutrons number. That's why they have same physical properties. They have different physical properties but same chemical properties because same electronic numbers are there. They have same physical chemical properties but different electron properties. That's why they have different physical properties but same chemical properties. Because they have same electrons number. Electron number is same, that's why same chemical properties. And next one is isobars. Second one is isobars, are quite opposite to isotopes. Here is same atomic number but different mass numbers, but here is quite opposite to the isotopes. The atoms of where element is same but here element is different. The atoms of the different elements which have same mass number, here is different, same mass number but different atomic numbers, called isobars. In isobars, what is same students? Mass number, that is A is same but different atomic number. Okay students, example. If we take an example, you will understand easily. Calcium, potassium and argon. What is calcium? Atomic number students 20, 19, 18. But mass numbers, calcium is 40, potassium is 40, argon is 40. Okay students, here is mass number is same. That's why these are isobars. Another example is carbon 614 and nitrogen 714, also best example for isobars. In isobars, what is the same properties? Number of nucleons, same physical properties, but chemical properties are different, quite opposite to isotopes. Here is physical properties are same, physical properties are same, chemical properties are different because of different atomic numbers. And third one is isotones. Third one is isotones. What is the isotones? Which have same number of neutrons. The elements which have same number of neutrons. Okay, students. Write the atoms of different elements. The atoms of different elements which have same number of neutrons. Same number of neutrons. That is called isotones. Same number of neutrons. They are called isotones. Example for isotones is C614 and nitrogen 715 and oxygen 816. The neutrons means number of neutrons is equal to the difference between the mass number and atomic number, A minus Z. 14 minus 6 is equal to 8. 15 minus 7 is equal to 8. 16 minus 8 is equal to 8. So neutrons number is 8. That's why these carbon, nitrogen, oxygens are isotones here for example. Okay, students, they have different chemical and different physical properties. Isotones have different chemicals and different physical properties. Different chemical and physical properties. Okay, students, this is the today lesson. Some basics of the atomic structure in chemistry. Okay, students, what is atomic number, mass number, number of neutrons, how to show the mass number and atomic number in element. Next, isotopes, isobars and isotones. Isotopes, same atomic number. Isobars, same mass number. Isotones, same neutrons number. Okay, students, this is the Saheb sir, your chemistry mentor. If you have any doubts, please mention in comment box. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.